Tonight, I'm making juicy lamb meatballs in a bright tomato sauce, finished with clouds of fresh ricotta, plus a crisp Mexican salad to cut through the richness. First, the meatballs. In a bowl, I add about a pound, 450 grams of ground lamb. Finely grate 2 garlic cloves, half a small onion, and the zest of 1 lemon right in. Chopped parsley, chopped mint, a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a pinch of chili flakes if you like heat. Season boldly with salt and black pepper. Add 1 beaten egg and half a cup of fresh breadcrumbs to bind. Mix gently with my hands, just until it comes together. Don't mash it to death. I wet my hands and roll walnut-sized balls. You should get about 16 to 20. Pan on medium-high, a slick of olive oil. Sear the meatballs in batches. Roll them so every side gets color. We're not cooking through yet, just building that gorgeous crust. Pull them out to rest. Same pan, heat down to medium. A touch more oil if needed. Add a small chopped onion and a pinch of salt. Soften 2 to 3 minutes, scraping up those meaty bits. Stir in 2 grated garlic cloves, a teaspoon of tomato paste, and a half teaspoon of ground coriander. Let that cook until it smells nutty and sweet. Tip in 1 can of crushed tomatoes, a splash of water, and a teaspoon of sugar to balance. Simmer 5 minutes, then nestle the meatballs back in. Lid on, low heat, 8 to 10 minutes until the lamb hits 160 degrees and the sauce thickens. While that bubbles, I'll whip the ricotta. In a bowl, I whisk 1 cup of fresh ricotta with a drizzle of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, a pinch of salt, and black pepper. It should be smooth, spreadable, and a little tangy. Mexican salad. In a big bowl, I combine chopped romaine, thinly sliced radish-diced cucumber cherry tomatoes, and some red onions soaked in lime to take the bite off. Add sweet corn, fresh or charred from a pan, plus a handful of cilantro. Dressing is simple. Juice of 2 limes, a tablespoon of olive oil, a tiny bit of honey, pinch of cumin, salt, pepper. Whisk, taste, adjust. Toss the salad right before serving so it stays crisp. Back to the pan. I taste the sauce. Season with salt, pepper, and a touch more lemon zest if it needs lift. Finish with a drizzle of good olive oil and a sprinkling of chopped mint and parsley. To plate, I spoon the saucy meatballs into a warm bowl. Add soft dollops of the whipped ricotta over the top so it melts just slightly, then rain down more herbs and a final crack of pepper. On the side, a big mound of that bright, crunchy salad. Every bite is rich lamb, bright tomato, cooling ricotta, and a fresh, limey crunch to reset your palate. It's weeknight simple, dinner party gorgeous. Grab a spoon, mop up with crusty bread, and dig in. If you try this, tell me how you twist it. Maybe a pinch of oregano or a smoky chipotle in the sauce. Happy cooking!